Right now, hyper-realistic macro-nature documentaries are exploding across YouTube and TikTok. These intense insect survival stories are pulling in millions of views because the visuals look like they cost a fortune to produce. In this tutorial, you will see exactly how to create these cinematic masterpieces yourself, step by step, from the initial concept to the final render. First, click on the Macro Survival GPT link I placed in the video description. This link opens the tool directly inside your ChatGPT interface. Click on the Start Chat button to begin. Now you need to provide a subject. For this example, type in praying mantis and hit enter. The GPT will immediately begin generating a 5-stage survival narrative. You will see 5 distinct sections: the stage title, the survival challenge, and the biological adaptation. Look closely at the output. Underneath each stage, the GPT provides a ready-to-use image prompt inside a gray code block. In the top right corner of that code block, you will see a copy button. Now open Google Flow in a new tab. Click on the button that says Create New Image. You will see a large text input field at the top of the interface. Paste your first copied prompt directly into that field. Now look for the Model Selector drop-down menu on the right side. Click it and select Nano Banana 2. This specific model is optimized for high-contrast macro textures and organic details. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16 if you are making a short, or 16:9 for a standard long-form video. Click the Generate button. While the AI works on that first image, clear the text field and paste your second prompt. Click Generate again. Repeat this process for all 5 stages until you have a full sequence of high-quality macro images. Download each image to your computer by clicking the download icon on the preview tiles. Now we need to breathe life into these stills using FlexClip. Open FlexClip and click on the Image to Video tool. Upload your first image from stage 1. Now locate the model selector and choose Seedance Seedance 2.0 Fast. This model provides the most realistic fluid motion for biological subjects. In the motion prompt box, type a specific instruction like subtle antenna twitching and cinematic slow zoom. Click the Generate button and wait for the render to finish. Once it is done, upload your second image. Type a new motion prompt like slow camera pan across the compound eyes. Hit Generate again. Do this for all 5 images, so you have 5 distinct video clips. Download all of them once they are finished. One more thing before we move on. You can download the reference image from the link in the description. Every time you generate an image in Google Flow, upload this reference image alongside your prompt. This ensures the lighting and the specific look of your insect stay consistent across every single clip, so the viewer doesn't get confused. Now, if you want to skip all that manual work, there is a much faster way to scale this entire process. We put together everything you need inside our school community. The link is in the description. Go to the classroom section and find the lesson for this specific workflow. You will find the exact prompts and GPT configurations ready to copy. Now grab those prompts and paste them into our custom Airtable template. The link for that template is right there in the school lesson. Click the link and duplicate the template to your own Airtable workspace. You will see a table with a column labeled Insect Species. Type your episode idea in that column. Now hit the automation button at the top of the table. The system runs everything automatically in the background using the API connections. It generates the 5-stage narrative, creates all the images using the models we discussed, and organizes all your assets in one clean row. This saves you hours of copying and pasting between different tabs. Now your video needs an intense soundtrack to match the visuals. Go to FlexClip and click on the Music tab. In the search bar, type Cinematic Dark Ambient or Intense Nature Hybrid. Browse the results and pick a track that feels heavy and dramatic. Click the Download button. Now stay in FlexClip and go to the Sound Effects section. Search for insect skittering and deep cinematic impacts. Download a few of these to layer into your edit later. For the narration, go to GPT and type Write me a voiceover. Now copy it and go to 11 Labs. Paste the narration script. This is where we get that authoritative documentary voice. Browse the voice library and look for a voice that sounds deep, gravelly, and serious. Something like a professional narrator. Click Generate and then download the high-quality audio file. Now it is time for the final assembly. Open FlexClip one last time and click on the video editor. Import all your video clips, your music track, your sound effects, and your 11 Labs voiceover. Drag your video clips onto the timeline in the order of the 5 stages. Lay the voiceover track directly on top of the clips. Adjust the timing of the clips so the visuals match exactly what the narrator is describing. Drop your music track onto the bottom layer and lower the volume to about 20% so the voice is clear. Add your skittering sound effects whenever the insect moves on screen. Trim any silence at the beginning or end of the track. Once it looks perfect, click Export. Your video is ready.
In the dead silence of winter, life waits, locked inside a hardened shell. Beneath layers of frost and wind, hundreds endure in total stillness.
You could upload manually, but for a professional workflow, use a scheduling tool. If you are just starting out, use Metricool to manage your posts across different platforms. If you want the most powerful features, use Vista Social. Upload your final video file to the dashboard. Write your title and description once. Then schedule it to go live on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reels simultaneously. You can even set up a recurring schedule to post your content at the peak engagement times for your specific audience. This allows you to build a massive channel while you sleep. Everything you need to get started, the prompts, the Airtable template, and the full community support is waiting for you in the school community. Link in the description.